Subscribe to Only Innovative and click on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So for this we will need heat transfer paper. These are A4 size and I bought a pack of 5 sheets. We will have to print our image on this white side of the paper. Remember that you must print mirror image of your design on this paper so that it looks correct when we are done transferring our image on t-shirt. Here I am using a cotton blend t-shirt. Now take a thick bedsheet and put it inside your t-shirt so that when we print our image it doesn't come on the other side. Now take the print and keep it on the t-shirt facing downwards where you want to print your design. Take a iron and iron the design for 2 minutes. Iron all over the paper equally with equal good pressure. Now peel off the paper gently. Be careful, the paper will be too hot. And now we are done, guys. Our printed t-shirt is ready and the quality of this print is really very good. I even tried printing on pure 100% cotton t-shirt, but it didn't work well for me. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to Only Innovative.